Hello everyone, I am back once again with another video in which I will ask some of the basic and advanced question of my student Dia, Ananya and Farhan. They will give answer to me in related to cell fundamental unit of life. So my first question is for Dia. Okay, you just have to say the full form of ATP.
Adenosine triphosphate.
Okay, which organelle we known as suicidal bag?
Lysosome.
Lysosome. Speak in full sentence.
Lysosome is called as suicidal bag.
Lysosomes known as suicidal bag.
Lysosome known as suicidal bag.
Can you please tell me one function of lysosomes?
Lysosomes help in breakdown of the food.
Which organ we known as kitchen of the cell?
Chloroplast is known as kitchen of the cell.
It is organelle.
Plastids, but plastids के अंदर chloroplast.
Okay, fine. Okay, can you please tell me the pigment which provide a color to the plants and its leaf in green color? So which type of like pigment we found in the leaf of the plant?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. Speak in full sentence.
Chlorophyll is found in plants which give its green pigment,
Green color to the plant.
green color to the plant.
Plant's leaf.
Plant leaf.
Fine. Okay. Define cytology.
The study of cell is called as cytology.
Name one organelle which direct and control all the cellular activities.
Nucleus control all the cellular activities.
Define cell theory.
Cell theory is given by Skeleton and Swan in 1838. They give us 3 points about cell. All animals and plants are composed by cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. Cell arise from pre-existing cell.
The differentiation between osmosis and diffusion.
Diffusion. When particles move from high concentration area to low concentration area is known as diffusion, and when particles move from low concentration area to high concentration area is known as osmosis.
You just have to say why lysosomes known as for suicidal bags.
When in cell disturbance is create lysosome burst and their enzyme released into cytoplasm, and they digest their own cell.
They digest their own cell or they digest that damaged part of the cell.
They digest their own cell.
Can you please describe the difference between eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells? So you just have to say any three differences only.
In eukaryotic cells, fully developed nucleus is present, and in prokaryotic cells, not fully developed nucleus is present. So we call it nucleoid. Not all cell organelles are present in prokaryotic cells, and eukaryotic cells all cell organelles are present. In eukaryotic cells, nucleus have nuclear membrane, and in prokaryotic cells, nucleus does not have nuclear membrane.
Say any three differentiation between unicellular organism and multicellular organism.
In unicellular, there is no lever distribution, but in multicellular there is lever distribution. In unicellular, only one cell was present. In multicellular, many cells was present. Unicellular example like ostrich, multicellular example like human, plant, animal, etc. Unicellular there is a short lifespan, and multicellular there is long lifespan.
Sorry, tell me the difference between in plant cell and animal cell.
Plant cells are large in size. Second point, in plant cells, chromosomes are absent. In plant cells, plastids are present. In plant cell, lysosomes are in few of numbers. Animal cells are small as compared to plant cell. In animal cells, large number of chromosomes are present. In animal cell, they in plastids are absent. In animal cell, lysosomes are present.
Number of like lysosomes present on plant cell or animal cell. How many we have? Like they have.
in plant cells few of numbers are present, but in animal cell most of many lysosomes are present.
Okay, fine. Okay, so just you have to define what is cell wall, okay, and its function.
Cell wall is present in plant cell. It protect the plant cell from outer part of the cell. It is selectively permeable because it allow entry of some material in or out of the cell.
Okay, you just have to say what happened when we remove mitochondria from an animal cell and justify about it.
When we remove mitochondria from animal cell, the formation of energy in form of ATP does not get to the nucleus. Therefore, the cell does not work properly and cell may be damaged.
So you just have to say some type of solution, okay, on the basis of their concentration.
First isotonic solution, second hypertonic solution, and third hypertonic solution. Isotonic solution is when the concentration of solution is equal to inside the cell and outside in cytoplasm is called as isotonic solution. In hypertonic solution, when the concentration of solution is outside the cell is less than the cytoplasm, it is called as hypertonic solution. In hypertonic solution, the concentration of solution is outside the cell is more than inside the cell is called as hypertonic solution.
Now we have done whatever we have to ask, we have completed, and now you have okay, and you have done a very great job, so you can clap for yourself and I will also clap for you.